My name is Shubhali Gaonkar. I'm from Dabal, Goa. I'm doing my MA and I have 4 family members in my house. Like we live together. I have mother, brother and my twin sister.
Okay, so Shubhali, you like to play football. When did you start playing football in the first time?
Yeah, I love the football game very much. I started playing when I was in 5th standard, but in between I stopped playing it because I had to focus on my game as well as this was my main game. So, but I love football very much. And also, when I was young, I used to play with my team, Village Boys. So, it helped me a lot to keep myself fit, to do some skills, and also it was a good communication with them to communicate and learn from that, and also to work hard as a player, and you need to be strong.
Yeah, that's true. You are also judoka and you have played in the nationals for judoka as well, huh? So you like running also and you like climbing trees. And why would you have to climb trees? Can you explain a little bit what your family is doing?
Yeah, we have our own bitternut plantation. Like, so when I was young, I used to go with my granny and all this thing in the field to help them. And also from then that time onwards, I got interest in climbing trees. And also it was like sports only. We get strength and all after climbing this thing. And also it was like small help from me towards my family and all this thing. Yeah.
Yeah, that's great. So you helped your mother in on this plantation because your father have been sick for a long time, and then he has died when you were just 17 years old, right? So that was the start when you and your brother and your sister had to help your mom a lot. So now, when you are in your village, now you are helping other girls also to get confidence, and they started to play football in the village. Can you explain what you're doing there with the girls?
Yeah, I always help them. Like during my this time I was struggling, but I don't want them to struggle, like, but it's my small thing. And also it is a great inspiration to my village mate, means friends and all the village, those who are playing there. And also I love to help them, and sometimes I means always I we do practice regularly, like. And yeah, it's great to have fun with them and also play game, because football teaches you the hard work, the sacrifice you have done. It also about teamwork. It's all about discipline, and also how to be responsible, like. And I want to have this thing in my team there, so I always help them, and I always teaches them, like, whatever I can do, like, for them.
Oh, that's wonderful. And you also player in the Compassion FC team, which is playing this season in the Vedanta Women's Tournament or Women's League in Goa in India. So you help the young girls there who are in the academy right there now, so they can perform well. And how is it for you to play in this tournament against strong teams? Can you share a little bit about your feeling when you're on the football pitch, and how does it feel to play with all these young players together?
Yeah, it is a great thing because they are young, they are learning like now, and also we can teach whatever we have in our heads, like we can help them, like. And also football teaches, uh, we should have the passion to play for this game, so I can see their passion, struggle and all the hard work they put in for this team, like. And also football gives joy to them, like playing with friends is always a good thing. And also it teaches you how to be strong, like how to help your friend when you are in difficult situation. And also it teaches you how to be the successful, and when you fail, how to work hard on that mistake and come back strongly.
Wow, that's wonderful.
Yeah.
You can teach these girls a lot. So there is this football academy now. It's called Karuna Football Academy, and there are 12 to 16-year-old girls which are accepted in this academy, and these are girls who have really good football skills. And so now, what are your hopes for this academy for the future in Goa? Maybe you can share a little bit about that.
Yeah, it's a great thing to start this academy, because after looking at them, if they get selected for nationals and all one day, many girls in Goa will inspire. They will also feel like we have to work hard, and we can go together in practice. Can collect also some friends along with them and start doing practice. So one day maybe they can also represent like India or Goa one day. Yeah.
That would be wonderful. And you yourself, I heard you are planning to go into the police force, and you will have a test soon, so I wish you good luck for that. And why would you want to become a police officer?
Because I need to help like people. Helping others is my main motto. Like I always aim that, and also I have helped like many villagers. And being a police officer, it feels like great thing for me. I always had that dream in my mind, so I need to fulfill it.
So, and as it looks like, when you have a dream and you have an aim, you go for it full, like 100%.
Yeah.
Yes. So I wish you all the best for your future, and God bless you, Shibali. Thank you for talking to me.
Yeah, thank you, coach.
God will make a way where there seems to be no way. He works in ways we cannot see. He will make a way for me. He will be my guide, hold me closely to his side. With love and strength for each new day, he will make a way. He will make a way by a roadway in the wilderness. He'll lead me. Rivers in the desert will I see. Heaven and earth will fade, but his word will still remain. He will do something new today. Oh, God will make a way where there seems to be no way. He works in ways we cannot see. He will make a way for me. He will be my guide, hold me closely to his side. With love and strength for each new day, he will make a way.